Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about. Entryway Christmas decor ideas. Imagine opening the door to a warm cozy atmosphere filled with holiday cheer. That is the magic we want to create as we embark and on our Christmas decor journey. A heartily welcome set the stage for the festive season like a hug for your home. Now, why do we focus on easy and affordable decor? It is about making the holidays joy for everyone. Not everyone has hours to spend on a big budget for decoration, and that is perfectly okay. We believe that with simple, durable ideas, anyone can transform their space into a winter wonderful without breaking the bank. It is not just about aesthetic, it is about the joy of creating a festive ambience that resonate with these separate of togetherness. So let's dive into these affordable and easy Christmas decor ideas to make your home warmth and holiday happiness. When it comes to making your Christmas tree shine, keep it simple and classic. Start by closing timeless ornament like shine balls, sparkling stars, and traditional figures. These classics never go out of style and create a festive atmosphere. Mix in some sentimental ornaments like one passed down through generation or homemade treasure to add a personal touch. Now let's talk lights. Option for warm white or colorful string lights depending on your preferences. Being by wrapping the around the tree branches for the inside out, ensuring an even distribution. This is not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also help illuminate the entire tree. Be patient and take your time to achieve balanced and inviting glow. Remember, the key to a beautifully decorated Christmas tree is the harmonious combination of classic ornaments and well-placed lights, creating a holiday centerpiece that everyone can enjoy. Creating a stunning Christmas worth is easier than you might think. First, gather materials. You likely already have a wire warp frame, greenery, and festive ribbon. Being by attaching the greenery to the frame, securing it with roll wire, layer different types of greenery for a lush look. Next, add pops of color with ornaments or pine cones. Simply secure them using more wire or hot glue. Don't forget a beautiful ribbon to tie it all together. Wear it thought the weather or create a charming glow. The key is to keep it simple and let your creativity shine. Choose color and texture that match your style and feel free to experiment. Within no time, you will have a gorgeous warm ready to welcome the holiday spirit to your home. It is joyful, hands-on activity that anyone can enjoy. Transforming your interest into a festive wonderful is as easy as a holiday breezy. Start by creating your own door decor. It is similar than you think. Grab some colorful ribbons, pine cones, and a warm paste from your local craft store. Attach them with glue or ties and voila, a personalized touch that welcome holiday spirit. Consider adding a cheerful doormat or festive sign. Easy friends, a budget friendly store. Your interest set the tune, so let your creativity shine. Utilize items you already have like old ornament or string lights to make your door busy. Dress up your fireplace with delightful decoration that bring a touch of charm to your space. Add a sprinkle of your personality to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Consider placing shared family photos on the mantel or invite intertwine fire lighting with Grandland for a magical glow. Embrace the coziness by incorporating soft blankets and push cushions nearby. The key is to infuse your fireplace area with elements that resonate with you, whether it is rustic ornaments, sentimental trinkets, or even a homemade craft. This simple yet effective transformation not only elevates the festive spirit but also makes your home a personal haven. During the holiday season, make your fireplace a focal point of comfort and joy, reflecting the unique warmth of your family and creating lasting holiday memories. Brighten your space effortless by dressing up your windows with light and ornaments in simple yet creative ways. As the sunlight pours in during the day, maximize its beauty by strategically placing twinkling lights and charming ornaments on your window sills. These small additions not only capture the sense of the holidays season but also make the most of the natural light, creating a magical atmosphere. Option for fair lights of string lights for a subtle glow, and consider hanging delicate ornaments like snowflakes or stars to catch the daylight and reflect in thoughtful the room. This uncomplicated window decor not only adds a festive touch but also allow you to enjoy the sprinkle both day and night, enhancing the overall warmth and joy to your living space during the Christmas season. Transforming your outdoor space into a magical wonderland as the sun sets is as simple as it gets. Let's talk about lighting that not only drizzle but it also kind to the environment and your wallet. You are exploring energy efficient options that shine brighten without breaking the bank. Picture charming string lights viewing through trees, creating a fiery tiles like ambience without guzzling electricity. We will dive into solar powered games that spark up the day, shine light twinkling to life when darkness falls. Safety is key, so we share tips on positioning lights strategically and using weather resistance option for durability. From pathway luminous to whimsical grand ascent, discover how to illuminate your outdoor space with eco-friendly flyers. It is all about bring warmth and charm to your nightcaps while being mindful of our planet and your pocket. Let the star above and your energy efficient light below, creating a of enhancement in your outdoor heaven. Engaging children in holiday decorating is a delightful to create a lasting memories. Think of it as a festive bonding experience of the whole family. Start with simple and safe crafty project designed for little hands. One fantastic idea is to craft personalized ornaments. Gather colorful paper, glue and child safe scissors, then let the little ones cut out shapes and create their own unique design. Another entertaining activity is making proper snowflakes. So show them how to fold and cut papers to unveil beautiful snowflakes pattern. It is fun and mess-free project that adds a whimsical touch to your decoration. For an extra touch of magic, consider creating indoor handprints arts. Help the kids make inspiration of their hands, transforming them into durable reindeer entrails. These charming crafts not only enhance your holiday decor but also foster creativity and joy in your little ones. So grab some supplies, gather around, and let the festive crafting begin. We have unwrapped our treasure trove of simple and delightful Christmas decor ideas for you, from traditional tree trimming to crafting your own warmth. These suggestions are easy for everyone to try. Transform your front door, mantel, and windows into festive wonders using everyday items. Create a warm ambience with candlelight magic, and don't forget the joy of DIY stocking by the fireplace. Illuminate your outdoor space with magical lights, making your home a beacon of holiday cheer.